Granny?
It looks like Naruto's in control of the Nine-Tails' power. Nine-Tails' chakra is able to match the Raikage's speed. That's just incredible.
There's no shinobi who's faster than I am. Not since the fourth Hokage died.
Wait, you knew my dad?
But even with all his power, why is he not here to help? Because he underestimated the tailed beast. You are his son. Have you learned nothing from his sacrifice
You
yet?
know what? Just stop it. Don't talk about my father. Way too many people have put their faith in me for me to let them down.
Naruto, this is not